Do you like these special effects? Do you like the splashy graphics? And the music, isn't that great? Guess what? There's none of that in this course. This is a course about public speaking. Part of what makes speaking scary to people is you can't hide behind music and special effects and graphics. It's just you with people looking at you. So I'm going to demonstrate best practices throughout this course. What are you going to learn here? You're going to learn how to come across comfortable, confident, relaxed for any type of speaking situation. Small groups, large groups, 10,000 people, or 2 people. You're going to learn how to speak in a way that people really understand you. And you're going to learn how to speak so that people remember your key messages. That's actually the hardest part for most people. It's not the ums or what to do with the hands. It's getting your audience to remember what your messages are. And finally, you will learn how to influence your audience. I mean, that's why we're speaking. It's to try to get people to approve a budget, hire us, buy from us, approve something. That's the ultimate goal of speaking. Hi, I'm TJ Walker, and I'll be honest with you, I'm not nearly as talented as a lot of the other public speaking coaches here on Udemy. I see some of the coaches and wow, they are Wall Street wizards, they are gourmet chefs, they are concert pianists, and they have courses on all sorts of things. I'm not that good. I only know one thing, how to teach people how to speak. That's what I've been doing my whole adult life. For more than 30 years, I've coached more than 10,000 people in real life, face-to-face, all over the globe on how to be better speakers and communicators. I'm bringing here to this course that wisdom, that experience. How does that benefit you? It means I already have dealt with people who have your exact issues, and I know how to help you get better at your skill level. Not at the skill level of a professional or a natural, but at your skill level. Now this course is different. Don't be intimidated by how gigantic and large it is. You don't have to go through everything. Think of it as kind of a Maserati inside of a jumbo Airbus. Yeah, it's got the gigantic thing, but if you just need to speed in one direction, you can do what you need to do in probably 90 minutes in this course. This course is meant to be a one-stop shop, though. I've put more than 100 different courses, all my other courses here in Udemy on public speaking, into this course. You have the best of all of those. So you'll never need another course on public speaking once you enter this course, and you're going to have it for a lifetime. And something new happens, you have a new question, just ask me, and I will answer you in a video. You can see I've already run out of room in this course. We're up to the 550 lecture limit. I do new videos every single day for this course on the YouTube channel that's associated with this course. So 7 days a week. So if you have any questions, all you have to do is ask. I'm here for you. This is what I do. Go ahead, sign in.